Hello! Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you not a pen, but a stationary item. No, it's actually not stationary. It's an accessory, an associated addiction for those of us who are addicted to pens. We like accessories and stuff like that. Nah, okay. Wow. Wow, that was a weird beginning. Hello, welcome, I'm Aziza, aka Gourmet Pens. The item that we are looking at today was sent for a review by Popov Leather, and I've actually had my eye on Popov Leather stuff for quite some time because Wonder Pens in Toronto actually stocks many of their products, and so I kept seeing them, and the leather is beautiful, so I was interested, but they did not have the one item that I wanted in store. So when Ryan reached out to Steven, he actually made this happen, and I'm pretty excited about it. So let me show you what the item is, and then I will do some quick describing. Quite nice. This is let me make sure I label this correctly. Okay, this is the A5 notebook cover. It has pockets and pen loops. Pockets are at the back, has two larger pen loops, and this is chocolate Chromexcel Horween leather. Whoa, that's a mouthful. That's what she said. So we are going to talk about this a little bit. We have this thank you card from Ryan Popov, and I hope it's Popov and not Popov, and I might be pronouncing this wrong. I am sorry in advance. They are a small business. They are located in British Columbia. Hello, neighbor! Now that I'm in Alberta, you are right next door, sort of. The other side talks about leather. Every hide we use tells us a tale of that animal's life. Scars, scrapes, marbling, stretch marks, and tannery stamps are all part of that story. We do not consider these unique markings as defective or undesirable qualities. Our leather is beautiful because it embraces the imperfections that makes every product unique. We take great pride in our work, and we hope you feel the same. Okay, that's lovely. I apologize to vegans. This is just an information sheet. It says our leather is always full grain, sourced from either the Horween Leather Company or Wickett and Craig, both of which have been operating in the US for over 100 years. The most popular leather we use is Horween Chromexcel, characterized by its pull-up quality, making it lighten in color when stretched or creased. That is actually a very beautiful feature. They hand-stitch their products utilizing the saddle stitch as well as machine-stitched for certain products, the cavalry products. They finish each item by burnishing and polishing the edges with beeswax by hand. All of their leather goods are backed with a lifetime and satisfaction guarantee. So that's pretty cool. As I said, they are in British Columbia, they are in Nelson, and you can find them online as popovleather.com as well as on Instagram. So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. Now, generally, I usually go for lighter leathers because I like to see it change over time, but recently I've been sort of addicted to this like darker chocolatey color, and I really like the fact that it's called chocolate, and maybe it's something to do with my current dark chocolate addiction, but I think it's a beautiful warm color. And we've got the pen loops. It is, you can see the burnished edging. Maybe I'll show you. Anyway, maybe I'll show you like up close. No. The edging is clear, so you kind of get like that rough quality look that I like it. It's kind of rugged, but not too rugged. Like it's not like a coarse looking notebook. It's quite supple, which I am a big fan of. Now we've got one large pocket in the front. We've got 3 business card pockets in the back, as well as another pocket in here because that's where your cover slips into. Right now I have a fairly slim notebook in there, but I really like how it looks. Quite beautiful. Now I've got the 2 pen loops, and typically pen loops are really small. I'm gonna see if this will fit in here. This is a giant pen. This is the Platinum Izumo. Okay, the Izumo is too big for it in these slots. So I'm just gonna grab my pencil case. I thought I already had this available, but I didn't have it at the ready. Let's take something like the Pelikan M600 and let's see if it fits, shall we? Yes, the M600 size fits. So the girth of the barrel is what fits. In the larger loop, actually it fits a little more easily in the second loop. Now the thing is, these loops will stretch a little bit, but I would not put anything delicate in loops like this, because especially if you're going to carry it and you've got your pen sticking out and it's a delicate pen, that doesn't make sense. I would definitely carry a M600 in this. Like they're pretty hardy pens. So the loop, these are larger sized loops on purpose for fountain pens. Let's try Lamy 2000. Yes, that fits comfortably. Of course, because it has a slip cap, it's a little less fun to pull out, but it does fit. Should we try a 146? Yep, we're good to go. We've got, let me see what else. Let's do a Sailor Pro Gear. Yep, we're good to go. So I think the average sized pen is going to fit. If you have something giant, like an oversize, it's not gonna work. So there we go. Quite beautiful. Now I'm gonna put this down so you can take a look at the details a little further, like this kind of stuff, but it's quite beautiful. And then we can see how the notebook fits in there. But I think it's really nice, like it's a good fit. Looks good. So let's do that. I will see you in a second. Thank you for watching. Hello, welcome back to the downside of the video. The downer side, well, it might be a downer. I don't know, it depends on how boring I am. But we have the Popov Leather with the chocolate Chromexcel, beautiful color, Horween, amazing. It is a leather cover. We kind of went over the details earlier, but just so you could see it maybe at a different angle, a little more up close. I think it's a beautiful notebook cover. I'm really excited to carry this around and use it. I actually used it yesterday, but I won't show you what it's in there. We got these thingies, the business card holders. Here's that pull-up. So if you pull on this kind of leather, you can see that it changes and it becomes lighter. And I think that is absolutely gorgeous. And it's one of my favorite things about leather like this. Now, this is nice, supple leather. It is really, really pleasant. The stitching is clean. I really like this. And I really enjoy it with the notebook I put in here because it's still quite slim, very portable. Oftentimes I find that notebook covers are really bulky, and this one is not, and I really like that, especially when they're stiff. This one's really nice and floppy. So I'm excited to use it, and it's brand new, so I don't really have a review of this yet. I mean, at some point I will do the review, but I just wanted to show it to you so you could see what it looks like brand new, have a gander, just really quite lovely. So hopefully this was like kind of informative so you can have a peek at it. Now this tells you about taking care of the leather, taking care of the leather, built to last, tight pockets. The initial fit is intentionally designed to be tight. It will stretch with use. Natural markings. It's really cool. So I look forward to carrying this around and giving it a shot. I don't often use covers like this because I don't like stiff notebook covers, but since this one is not stiff, I'm quite excited. So thank you, Ryan, for sending this over for a review. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I would be super grateful. And you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon as Gourmet Pens. And that's everything. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Au revoir. Okay, bye.